What's up, chat? What's up, stream? Today we are going to be messing around with some AI stuff, bro. We're gonna be checking out how to code an app. Now, I want to make this app for fun. I've been experimenting with this new tool called Claude Code. Now, if you haven't heard of Claude Code is right now one of the best agentic AI coding tools that you can use in your projects. So let me double check if I'm streaming. Sorry, y'all, I'm back. I had to pause it real quick. Back. Let me. Oh, where's it at? I want to experiment with something real quick. All right, let me try something out. So, if y'all didn't know, your boy can play the trumpet. Now, it's been a while since I played the trumpet. But look at this. Check this out. Check this out, y'all. I got this old ass trumpet. I bought it from the pawn shop. This old ass trumpet. I'm gonna try playing it. I haven't played it in a little bit. Oh shit. It's like all like I feel like it's rusty and shit. I feel like it's rusty. This is a mouthpiece. You put it on the trumpet. Damn, I'm ass at the trumpet. Fuck. Damn, bro, I'm ass at the trumpet. I haven't played this in like 4 years. Oh shit! I still got it. I still got it. Yo, I still got it. That sounds like an airball. Yeah, I can play trumpet. I don't remember any songs on the trumpet. I could probably learn them. Yeah, I just wanted to try that out. I just want to try that out. I don't know how that sounds. Maybe that sounds crazy. I'm gonna put it away. Maybe that sounds crazy, y'all. Maybe that sounds crazy. Who knows? But I'm gonna put it away. Let's see. All right. Put this over here. I'm gonna share my screen. Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen. All right, can y'all see? How do I put this so it's on the other side? I want to put this over here. Let me take names off too. All right. How do I show names off? Names off. I don't really need the names. Yeah, I don't need names. There we go. I don't really need the names. I don't really need the names right now. Damn, where my harmonica? Oh. Bro, I had a harmonica and I can't find it. Alright. But anyways, today we're going to be experimenting with... Oh, shoot, wait. Let me see. How do I put this over here? Y'all see me? Stop sharing. Oh, shit. How do I move this over here? Cool. Let me look up how to do it. How to move. Oh, shit. I had a timer. Layout. How's this look on screen? How to move layout. I'm using this program called Riverside. Let's see. Bro, this needs to be on the left. It needs to be on the left. Use the clip marker to highlight key moments. Oh shoot. Oh, that's fire. Added a clip. Okay. Start recording. What's the and stop recording. Wait for ultra. Choose a pre-made automated clip. Select the size button. Trying to adjust the settings, y'all. Bro, how do I adjust it, bro? Can damn, I don't think I can adjust it. Bro, how do I adjust this? I'm gonna send this to support. I'm gonna hit up support.
Have you ever wanted to change the layout of your video content or podcast, maybe to focus on your guest speaker or have you and them side by side? Well, with our new feature called Smart Scenes from Riverside. Welcome to our Getting Started with Riverside series. In this video podcast to upload to YouTube. Now you can see I'm going to go into one of the recordings of my studio, not include it in this clip. You can even drag to reorder which side your guest and co-host appears on by clicking and dragging these lines next to the name of speaker throughout the clip and change as the speaker changes. You can also choose shared AI, where the active speaker will appear large in the frame and other guests will appear in the right. And you can choose split AI, where the live speaker will be here, guest and co-host of my video and my Welcome to our Getting Started with Riverside series. In this video, we're going to cover the Riverside Editor. The Riverside Editor is a powerful tool that lets you take your full recordings and export either a full video with you and your guests side by side. You can export vertical clips for TikTok or Reels, and you can remove portions of your recording from the beginning, end, or in the middle, so you don't even have to download and bring your video into a third-party editor. You can do everything right in Riverside. Here's how it works. I've logged into my Riverside account, and I'm going to go into one of the recordings of my studio. I'll go to the latest episode, and here you can view all your recordings and download the individual tracks, but I'm going to click the edit button in the top right corner.
So I gotta ask basically how do I move my camera so it's on the left side? Wow, screen sharing. Picture-in-picture mode. Attaches your camera to a small. Let's see what this does. Is this in the stream right here? Can you see me on the stream? Hello? Is this the stream right here? You see me on the stream? Nah, it's still in the right. Bro, how do I adjust the layout, bro? Oh. What's this look like? I'm so small. How do I adjust the... So small. Bro, I'm microscopic on the side. Yeah, let me ask support. subject. Layout. How can I move my camera to? You guys can see it right here. How can I move my camera to be on the left side of the share screen? I want to be able to adjust my layout more because it sometimes does not sometimes makes it hard to flip it manually. Is there a guide? My screen, I want to be able to adjust my layout more because it sometimes makes it hard to clip it manually. I also want to be able to make the screen share smaller and my camera bigger. How do I adjust these? Ah, fuck, I leaked my. Did I leak my email? Fuck, I don't know. I should probably do this on the side.
Okay, so we have now just finished our first work block, and it is time for your guided 10-minute break. Now, one of the issues with these work rest session structures is that a lot of students get completely derailed during their break, or they don't let their brain properly recover or relax. So in this 10-minute rest, I'm going to guide you through an activity that's going to help you not only recover, but actually make your next session even more productive and locked in than the previous one. So I want you to stay here and follow along for the next 9.5 minutes, unless you need to go to the bathroom, in which case, please do. Don't relieve yourself on the floor. We're going to start with keeping our headphones on, and we're just going to change to some more relaxing music. And next, we're going to grab a piece of paper or a blank canvas on your tablet. What we're going to do is some doodling. And don't worry, you don't have to be an artist. Just bring yourself back to when you were just a toddler scribbling on the wall with a crayon.
All right, I'm going to submit this.
And as you do this, I'm going to explain to you why this is actually effective at helping you with your focus. Don't try to make any artwork. Just create patterns. Look for just repetitive, nothing too strenuous, nothing you're already thinking too much. Just create whatever scribbles you want. So there's actually some research that shows that this kind of repetitive doodling is beneficial for increasing your focus, reducing stress, and helping you activate these neural pathways that are better for creativity and problem solving. And that transfers through into your study and your work. And just a few minutes of doodling can help you to mentally reset and regain focus. And you'll notice that when I change the music, I changed it to something that's a little bit more relaxing. This is Brain FM's relaxation track. And the cool thing about the music that you're hearing right now is that it's actually a patented technology that the US government's National Science Foundation funded. And it's research back to improve focus and to induce flow states. Back in the day, I used to just listen to rain sounds all the time.
Hopefully this works.
But now I pretty much exclusively listen to Brain FM. It's a
Okay.
You know, when you have your layout on your podcast episode with your guests side by side, in Riverside, it used to be impossible to, you know, when you have your...
Let me delete all this. All right, yo. So today we will be making an app using Claude Code, which is right now the best performing AI tool to help code projects. So I want to make this prototype of basically a CAPTCHA. You know how when you do CAPTCHAs, you have to usually solve it's either really easy, it's either like I'm not a bot, you just click check, but recently I feel like they've been spamming these CAPTCHAs that you have to like solve. These CAPTCHAs where you have to identify certain objects, and I'm pretty sure this is to train AI models. But basically, where have you ever seen like those CAPTCHAs where it's like check all the boxes where there are motorcycles, check all the boxes where there are school buses? I'm pretty sure they're using these to train these AI models to make self-driving cars better. I think this is the underlying technology that they use for these self-driving cars. So, and this, as a consumer experience, it's not the best. It's not that good. As a consumer experience, this gets really annoying. It takes a lot of time. Sometimes it thinks you're wrong, even though you're pretty sure you're right. For example, if it's only half a motorcycle in the picture, it won't count it. Like there's several instances I've seen where it just does not think I'm a human, even though I know I'm fully flesh and bones. I am a full human here. So what I want to be able to do is make a reCAPTCHA or a CAPTCHA that you can solve to prove you're a bot, but it is a Doom. You know, like Doom, one of the first 2D shooters. So basically, it's gonna be a Doom game. Now I seen this from a podcast. I was watching this podcast from the CEO, the founder of Vercel. And he has like a list of ideas that he gives to people that he thinks are good and that people can spend time on if they would like to be able to make. So I saw that and I thought it was a pretty fun project. So I wanted to mess around with Claude Code because I'm mainly familiar with Cursor. I use Cursor a lot to code now. It saves me a lot of time and it just helps stuff overall. It still has a lot of bugs in the code, but from my technical expertise, I'm able to fix them. So what I want to do is, so now I'm starting to learn Cursor code right now. Claude Code right now. So let's check this out. You want to create Claude.md. Sure. So I installed it already and I ran the first few commands. Let's see what it says. So Basically, I installed it already, and then I ran /init to create a Claude MD file with instructions for Claude. And then it has this agent where it makes like a to-do list, and it does read. Here you can see read package.json, examine main application file, examine Doom captcha, and it looks like it's starting to go through it. Examine main application. It sort of completes the to-do list. Now it is at a Claude.md file. It looks like it's made its own captcha, its own .md file. That's pretty cool. Usually what I would do is I would go into another LLM. For example, I have Claude open up here in the top right. I would go up here and prompt it to make a .md file that is specifically tailored for this project. But in this case, I do not have to do that right now because it did it automatically. So that's pretty cool. From a consumer standpoint, that's a really cool user experience. So let's see these notes right here. Doom red, capture verification. Then it has web audio. So actually, I made most of this using Lovable. As you can see right here, it made this page right here. Lovable is a AI app builder that allows you to basically make web apps with English by just speaking English to it, by writing out exactly what you want, and then it makes out a cool prototype. And it actually deploys it. It could even deploy it. In my case, I am hosting it locally and running it. This is what it made. It has an email address, message, and it has this game. It's pretty glitchy right now. But basically it has a WASD to move and a click to shoot. Now I'm basing this off Doom. No, I just had an idea. What if we made the world's hardest game? Yo, ever played that? It's like world hardest game on like Cool Math. I feel like that'd be pretty funny. That's an idea. But let's see the notes it has right here. Doom captcha.tsx. Doom game. All by captcha. Okay. Development notes. Adding new must. Okay. You want to create? Yes. Let's go ahead and make that .md file. Let's see what it does. Nice, it just made a .md file. Key sections covered, and I have cursor open up here. Let's see if it made the .md file. Here you can see it right here. This is the MD file made. This file provides guidance to Claude Code when working with code in this. This is a Doom captcha web application, a novel captcha system that requires users to play a mini Doom style game to prove they're human. It's built React, TypeScript, and Vite using Shadcn and components for the UI. Nice. And it has the project structure in here. That's sick. So now I can provide it with some guidance right here. So as you can see in the right here, it is kind of looping over again. It looks like it loads and then like it stops. So let's say the game appears to be re-rendering every couple of seconds when I try to move using the WASD keys, it starts back in the starting position shortly after. Help me look where this could be failing and fix it properly. Let's see what this does. This is my first time using Claude Code. So it looks like examining Doom game component use effect dependencies. Check Doom engine initialization. Analyze parent component re-renders affecting game state. Check. Found the issue. Looking at line 60, the use effect has on-time update in its dependency array. Since on-time is likely being called every second to update the timer, this causes the parent component to re-render, which creates a new nice writing. Use callback. Yes. That looks good. Now I actually have this version. It's pretty bright colors, bright red, bright green. And that's because I'm colorblind. I'm slightly colorblind. And there's this, when I first made this, when I was first installing it, it asked me like if I wanted dark mode, light mode. And then I was looking at the dark mode, and I was like, huh. I feel like those colors, they might cause me some issues later. I couldn't really tell the difference enough. There wasn't enough contrast between the colors. So I had to use this version right here. Let me know if y'all like it. Let's see what edits it made. Memoize, so it's memoizing it. That's good. Always good to memoize stuff. It prevents re-rendering. On success, it just changed the function. Memoize game loaded. False. Just changing the names. So just memoized it. What is it? Why is it trying a different approach? Let me optimize the timing update mechanism in the Doom engine to only call the callback when the time actually changes. You want to make this edit? I think that's cool. Yeah, private. What's it saying here? Let's put it in the bottom. Oh no, let's keep it up here. Actually, let me try it. The issue is that callbacks are still changing frequently. So it's adding constant remaining seconds. Only call when the time actually changes. This remaining seconds does not equal to this last time reported equals this config. That's good. Drink some water. I'm gonna drink some water. Stay hydrated, y'all. Stay hydrated. Dang, I don't know where it went. Bro, I had it. Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Let's see what it's making. Dang, it's making a lot of edits. Now let me also simplify the Doom game component by removing the use effect. Bro, why Why is it going back to what the changes it just made? Oh, it's working. Yo, it's working. Yo, that worked. The AI was able to fix it. Cloud Code is really cool. It worked. The captcha worked. The captcha worked. I was able to solve the captcha by playing a game. That's sick. Let's try it again. I think it's supposed to have audio. I don't think it does though. So it doesn't have any particles. Just showcase the. Oh, you can click on it. Haha, look at that. What is this? Do I take damage? Oh, that's really cool. Let's go! Let's go! We are living in the future right here. It says 38 seconds remaining. Target, pink demon. Let's go. That's sick. Okay, that's crazy. Now, I'm not sure how can I show you images. Let's see how I can show images. To show images as a reference. Let me just push this. This is a good, update. Why is it stuck? Get status. Wait, what? Okay, get add commit. Get commit. Get commit M. Da 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 da. And let's see. Modified first version so that the game does not constantly re-render. I'm gonna push this. Alright. Next up, I'm gonna ask it, how do I show it as images? Can I show you images? I want to show images as references so that I can adjust the design of cap. Example, I want to. For example, I want to make it more similar to regular CAPTCHA when it starts out. Just clicking. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? We're just clicking on checkbox to say a robot, and then also want it to be white, gray, original reCAPTCHA. It says designing. You'll be using a lot of tokens. It uses a lot of tokens. What? Oh, shoot. Let's see. Oh. Oh, there we go. That works. I want to be able to just paste it. How to show images to Claude. To Claude Code.
So they are strictly bound to your desktop. You can't host them.
It's pretty cool. Apparently there's a UI for it. How to copy? How do I copy? How do I paste something from my? How do I do that? How do I copy and paste something from my? What's it called? What's this shit called? Clipboard. Clipboard. Control Shift V. Damn, it didn't work. I'll do it. Shift insert. Shift insert. Where's the insert button? Control V, this is this comment. Middle mouse button if you have a 3-button mouse. I do have a 3-button mouse. Control Shift V. I am using the snipping tool from. I'm using the snipping tool from Windows. So that Claude Why is it doing that? Why is it like weird like that? It's like twitching. Add directory, submit feedback, clear conversation, costs. Help! I need somebody help, not just anybody help. Need someone help. No, I was younger, so much younger than today. Never needed anybody. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. But I know. Help me if you can, but don't please, please help me. Currently looks like in image 1. No, when I was younger, so much younger than today. Never needed anybody. Na, 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 na. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. But I know. But don't please, please help me. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. But I know. What's still left? I'm not even in the screen. What the frick? Y'all see me? I just like work on stuff. All right. So I'm gonna save that. Then I gotta take a picture of Doom. Won't you please, please help me, help me, help me. When I was younger, so much younger than today. Never needed anybody. But don't please, please help me, help me, help me. When I was younger, so much younger than today. Never needed anybody. All by myself. Alright, now I'm gonna drag this one into it. Drag these two. Recapture. And do. Help me if you can. Image 2 shows what it should look like before it shows what it looks like before it and image 2 shows what it looks like before it should open up. And image 3 and 4 show what Doom, the game Doom looks like, and make it more similar to that game. It's a 2D shooter. Help me execute these changes. Let's see what it does. All right, so what I'm basically telling it to do is giving it a reference of what it currently looks like, because it can't see what it looks like in person, can't see the design. So this is a test of how well it designs stuff. So image 2 shows like the example of the reCAPTCHA and how that is designed, where it just says I am human or I am not a robot. Let me see, which one is it? I'm not a robot. Yep. So it says perfect. I see. Let me help you transform. You want to proceed? Yeah. Yes. Yes, homie. You can see both of the images. You can see both of the images. Let's see how we look like live right now. All right, that's where I'm at right now. Ha! That's funny how it works. I got some weights right here. I'm gonna lift them while I wait. Now, the thing with these AI agents is that sometimes they take a little bit to load. So what I'm gonna do is just lift some weights while it loads. Look for my harmonica. I'm looking for my harmonica. Where the freak is my harmonica at? Bro. I'm gonna lift some weights. I'm about to work out, yo. After. Let's lift some weights, yo. I got the weights. I just got 20s. I'm not the swellest dude in the world. But I do like to stay active. I do like to stay active. So, let's do some bicep curls. While I wait. Help me if you can. How many was that, Chad? How many was that? Let's see how many. Let's see what the agents look like. See what Cloud Code cooked up. See what Cloud Code cooked up. I also want to experiment with this app called Voice Mod. Do you want to make this edit to Doom Capture? Yes, that's fine. And that's the thing, I have to stay active while doing it. Doom Capture. Sure. Let's check out voice mod. Never needed anybody. Put on my hat. My first soundboard. Bro, what type of goofy ass soundboard do I got going on, bro? Yo. What keybind should I do, yo? What keybinds should I for soundboard streaming?
Hello, my YouTube friends. Live stream is all about.
I think I can do that myself. Let me see. Let me see if I can do that with the trumpet. I can do that with the trumpet, look, yeah. Yo, I can do that same sound effect. I can do that same sound effect. Check this out, check this out. What you think? What you think? Yo. I told you I could do it. I told you I could do it. Told you I could do it. Let's go back. Messing around with soundboards. Help me if you can, I'll feel it down. I'm lost in the woods. I'm lost in the woods. I'm down for my life. I'm moving. Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? 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 The one that goes like, y'all know that one Kanye song? The one where he goes like, I'm lost in the, I'm lost in the woods. I'm down for my life. I'm moving still to showdown time. I'm lost in the woods. I'm down for my life. I'm moving a city, and I'm down for my life. Down for my life. Down for my life. Oh, yo, that's just as far. That shit Loki sounds fire. We try adding some other stuff. Banana? What? Hello?
Hello? Hello? What the frick? Yo! Yo! How do I sound like this? What the frick? Yo, how do I make myself sound like this? I don't really mess with that one.
I'm gonna change to, let's see.
Can y'all hear this? Yo, can y'all hear this? This is an announcement from Cellblock Day. Let's go! Let's see this. Can y'all hear this? Yo, can y'all hear this? This is an announcement from Cellblock Day. Let's go! Let's see this.
That's pretty cool. It works. It works, y'all. It works. It works, y'all. Let me help you transform. How'd that Kanye post sound? Another one Kanye song. Another one Kanye song, the one that goes like, y'all know that one Kanye song, the one where he goes like, I'm lost in the, I'm lost in the woods. I'm down for my life. I'm moving still to showdown time. I'm lost in the woods. I'm down for my life. I'm moving a city, and I'm down for my life. Down for my life. Down for my life. Oh, yo, that's just as far. Batting some of this stuff.
Can y'all hear this?
In,
Can y'all hear this?
in the night, I hear him talk. Story of. Yo, can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Y'all know the one Kanye song that goes like, in the night, I hear him talk. The story of no other world. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. You know the song? I'm lost in the woods. Oh shoot. Let's go. Let's go. What happens if I put auto tune on? Yo, what happens if? Oh shoot. Let me turn this off. Yo, what happens if I put auto tune? Yo, what happens if I put auto tune on a random instrument? I got a trumpet right here. I got a trumpet. Let's see what it sounds like. What happens if I put auto tune on a random instrument? Yo, what? That's crazy. Low-key, it sounds like the same thing. It's the same note, or it changes the note. All right. Yo, y'all know that one Kanye? Oh shoot. Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? That one Kanye. Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? The one Kanye song that goes like, in the night I hear him talk. Wait, it's the wrong one. Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? The one. I can hear myself. Yo, y'all know that one Kanye song? The Kanye song that goes like. Here, y'all know the one Kanye song that goes like. In night I hear him. I'm up in the woods. I'm down on my mind. I'm building a still to slow down time. I'm up in the woods. I'm down on my mind. I'm building a still to slow down time. Slow down time. I'm lost in a world. Been down my whole life. I'm new in the city. And I'm down for the night. Down for the night. Down for the night. Oh. Yeah, that song's a classic. That song's a classic. That song's a classic. That song's a classic. Yo, can y'all hear me? Yo,
Yo, something's wrong with my mic. What the freak? Something's wrong with my mic. I sound like the guy from Fallout. Hello, hello. Sound like the guy from Five Nights at Freddy. You're the new guy, right? You're the new guy, right? You're gonna love the job here. Just don't go here at night. Don't work here at night. Oh, whatever you do, do not work here at night. Yo! Ha! Yo, this shit's fire.
Is a fart. Let's see what.
Sheets.
I mess with that. Let's go to community sounds. Yo, they got some cool stuff here. Walkie talkie.
Oh, hello there. Can you hear me? I'm stuck. I'm stuck in this. I'm stuck in this dream. Frame me. I'm stuck in this dream. Don't hear me. My name is Yilama. Yilama. Oh, apparently this is what you have to do to be able to click farm. This is what you have to do to be able to click farm. Now, according to my calculation, what? Oh, I got a bot. No, my tooth. No, my tooth, bruh. I got a bot. Military industrial. Don't that up outside. Don't. Don't outside.
Let's try this one. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Everybody, welcome to my stream. This is I think it's the sixth stream.
Hello. Hello. Why do I sound like this?
Hello. Hello. Alright, and then how do I do custom pitch? Yo! 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 This is inspector. What's this? Recorder. Yo!
Yo.
Yo.
Yo. Yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yo.
Yo! Oh, this thing is mad cool.
Hello. 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 Yo! I need everybody in the stream. Yo! Yo! I need everybody in the stream. I need everybody.
Yo! Alright, this is regular. Alright, cool. We back. We back to regular. Girl. Who made that song?
We are not horses. We are humans.
Check out these songs. These sounds.
And humans, sir.
Se quiser fuder, tem que vir preparada pra não voltar apaixonada pra casa. Pra não voltar apaixonada pra casa. Pra não voltar apaixonada, nada, 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 nada.
Okay. You're getting awfully close. What are you doing? Wait, I didn't mean it!
I'm 4 years old.
Ever get the feeling something? Ooh, a visitor! Don't.
Why do birds?
You're getting awfully close.
What are these sounds? What are these sounds?
Enrique!
Let's see memes. They got cool memes in here. My ears, bro.
500 cigarettes.
We need the classic Vine boom, bro. We need the Vine boom, bro.
Adrian.
Have you ever played blocks for this sort of?
I fuck with that one. That was cool.
Today, I'll be talking about one of you.
So let's keep playing.
500.
Yes.
That shit's mad loud, bro.
Я твою макетку штурмовал.
Хуйчик человек и пандан баджичебл.
Officer, right there.
Oh god, what is that?
Am I right? Am I right? Alright. That's enough tomfoolery. That's enough tomfoolery. Alright. I still haven't finished this, damn. Yes, I do. Wait, we haven't even seen it. Change the colors. Somebody was kung fu fighting. Yo, yo, yo. Those were fast as lightning. Da-da-da-da. And although it was a little bit frightening, ooh. How do I keybind stuff? Nah, it's cool. It's cool. How do I keybind it? There you can like, oh, here we go. Let's add N. Alright. Let's test this out. Let's test this out, y'all. Yo, so I just got a new keyboard. I think it's gonna work really good. Oh, let's test this out, yo. I think it's gonna work really good. What is going on in this video right here? Okay. I'm starting to understand how it works. Okay. It's pretty cool. Let me turn it off. Spam. It's pretty cool. Alright, you want to make this edit? This draw UI. What's the draw UI doing? This is separate. I think I'm doing a lot of changes to this project. I'm doing a lot. Should I? Yo. Yo, that's insane, bro. Yo, it's mapped to my keyboard, so when I type, yo. How should I map my key bindings to my key? Everybody was kung fu fighting. Da, 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 da. Let's see how it's looking. There we go, it's better. Oh, this still looks really bad. Nice. This is what I got so far, y'all. It's not exactly Doom, but it's like a 2D platformer, I guess. 2D run and shoot. Alright, I think I'm gonna try the rest in Cursor. But this is pretty much the stream today, y'all. W stream. I was just messing around with stuff today for the most part. Messing around with certain features. Hope y'all like it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a blessed day. W stream, y'all. I just want to finish off with this quote. Just know that everything that you see around you in this life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. You can really accomplish anything you want if you can put your mind to it. You can influence it, build your own things that other people can use. You want to be in a creator mindset. You want to be able to create your own world because that's how you are going to achieve the things you want in life. You really have to create your own destiny. Don't sit around and wait for other people to influence you, to inspire you. You have to create your own destiny. Everything you see around you, rockets, spaceship, rockets, the greatest scientific technologies like artificial intelligence, all of these new technologies that you see, the iPhone, everything, these headphones that I'm wearing, this hat that I'm wearing, everything is made by people. This house that I'm living, everything is made by people. And you can accomplish anything you want in your dreams. So just devote yourself completely to it. Don't 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 hesitate. Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long to pursue your dreams. You only have this one life. At least you have one life that is promised. The only thing that is promised is death. So you really have to pursue your dreams to the fullest. So I believe in you. I love you. Have a great day. How long did I stream for? Peace, y'all.